No. Ooh.
Very good, very good, very good.
Oh wow. Oh wow. Great job. Home things, finally. কি অবস্থায় আছে Here, Rahul's room fan is working. This is our room. It's so good to see. Naito said this is broken. I think I will start a new series of my vlog and I will show you moving into this house before and after condition. But I'm very excited to show you everything. Now I'm going to just show you, I'm just going to run through the entire thing and show you what it looks like. It's in the bag. This is the hall room. Coming to this side, this is the kitchen. Kitchen is pretty huge. It's got a great scenery right here. Like, not a great scenery, but okay scenery right here. Is the water functioning? Yeah, dude, it's functioning. This is a little balcony, a small little balcony. Oh, this is the water meter power over here, whatever. I don't understand so much. Anyways, this is the society area. Down there, over there, this whole thing is a tennis club, gym, stuff like this is all here. That's a little small little car. It's very weird. This is the room of the help. She's going to stay here. This is her washroom and the tap and bucket is there. This is the exit. That's it, so it's fine. Anyways, kitchen is big. This fridge you've seen before. I'm so already. Anyways. This is our one side balcony. Leads to the other room that side. That side there's another balcony. Different view. Excuse me. Different view. That's a little plants bought from our home. That's the front park. These are already some build up stuff. Pretty empty, but this is our view for the next some months. Anyways, then going into the basic rooms. This is one bathroom. This is one bedroom. This side is the opening to the balcony, which I already showed you. So this is one bedroom. This is one bedroom. You've seen this stuff in my previous home. You've seen this mirror in my previous home, so it's fine. Then this has an attached toilet bathroom. Just got all this. It's just like we're cleaning it up all. This mirror is really big. You can put like a light here and make it like a vanity stuff and things. Whatever. That'll come in the next week. I'm going to spend my birthday here, so this is my home for the next 2 months. Then there is a bathtub here, girl. I'm so excited. This is done. We're cleaning it all up today. Oh, I love this. Oh wow, I'm excited to use this though. Oh, ooh, that's fine. I was not excited. I was like, I may not get this, but I forgot that this is a flat, so it is stuff which I need. Hi. Then this is a small little place. This is the biggest bedroom. This is the cupboard that you always seen. Oh, it's locked. Anyway, coming to this is the mirror. This is the view from our bedroom. It's still not fixed who'll stay in what, so the same view in every room. Far behind those flats.
To get used to talking softly because
Okay, now it's lift system. My life is lift system. So I have to go down to the 0th floor. So I just got into the car because I have to go and park the car properly in a proper space. And I'm no more going to drive my car inside my old home. I have to drive my car inside my new home. So I have to get used to driving inside my new home and how it actually feels. So I have to figure out how to take out the car. Anyways, right now I'm having really like extreme mixed emotions at this point of time, because I'm only thinking that how on earth am I going to really figure out living with other people. Sorry, I am sorry. So I kept you in a very bad position. I'm sorry, but I can't help it. Well, now I have to figure out how it looks. I have to go and park the car next to this car. So it feels very strange to drive inside a place like this, but you know, I guess that's how life is about, adjustment. Just told that this is the gym, so I'm really excited to go and start working out here. I don't know whether today evening I'll go or not, but I'll try and go today ASAP. So excited. The clouds, oh god.
yes, good morning. This is my first morning in my first new home. Not first new, second new home. I'm very excited. I want to show you the view once from the room. So there you go. It's so nice. Far and far you can only see green. So yeah, we're going for breakfast now.
Okay guys, so I'm at the lift area now. This is certainly not nice, but I'm going
to walk a little bit so that I can show you some things. Let's go. So I've just come to our society shopping mall. I will show you. It's still a little far away, but it's very fun. This is officially the first time that I have come out all on my own in a very unknown society. So I'm really excited to walk around maybe. Let's go. This is the mall. We have to walk a little bit from here and go inside, then we'll find it. It's called the Downtown Mall of maybe Unitech Downtown Mall. Probably, I guess. I have to go and see. I just went to the mall, but I didn't take my mask, so I could not go. But anyways, I'll go in the evening, and it's super breezy. Life here is good. So far, so good. Okay, there you go. Driving it is. Woo! Only me and only me alone in the road. It's not that scary. What I thought it would be, it's not that scary. Okay, so I just got pulled up by the security by keeping the car in the wrong place. I'm going to keep the car in the right place. The house is arranged a lot. I'll just show you what we've done over the past few days. It's been only 3 days. Oh, this is a very long hair. Over the past 3 days that we've come, what other things that we've done. So I'll just show you around and I'll let you know what other things we've done. This is the condition of our bedroom. It's not completely done, but it'll be done in like 2 days more. This is the view. You've always seen this view, so I don't want to show you. This is the mirror. Okay, this is the picture that my grandfather made for himself to put in his office. So it was in my mom's office in school, so she's bought it because she wants to keep it as a memory. And there you go. That's my favorite mirror over there. This is our cupboards here. It's not completely arranged. I want to show you the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. There are some clothes, so I don't want to show you. There is a bathtub here, best part of this house. Next, there is a room here which someone has occupied. My uncle is sleeping, so I can't show you. This room, though, it isn't arranged at all because we've just come and dumped the extra things over here, so that from here now we can remove. The toilet of this room is very pretty too. This is the toilet. It's like very hotel roomy. That mark on the pot you can see is actually not moving. Those are like these cement marks and stuff. Again, there is a mirror. And now moving to the next part. There are 3 bedrooms. This bedroom is occupied, so I want to show you now. Look there. Look there. Yeah. He's telling you to put the car here, but all the other cars are parking in front of our flat. Yeah, I know. Here, this is another bathroom. Clean it is. That's the exit door. This is the kitchen. Big space arranged. There is a balcony here. Then we go to this room. Some more storage stuff. This is another bathroom here. Small bathroom.